Hi there, my name is Derek and welcome to GamerBody. In this video I am doing an unboxing of the Perfect Fitness Multi-Gym Doorway Pull-Up Bar. I recently decided to buy a new pull-up bar after moving from Laguna Hills, California all the way to Austin, Texas, and in the move I ended up losing the screws that go to my old doorway pull-up bar. Now I have nothing against my old pull-up bar, I actually liked it quite a bit, but I decided to upgrade to the Pro Edition of the Perfect Fitness pull-up bar in order to test it out and give you some feedback on if I think it is better than the original one that I had. Now the big difference here is that it is a little more expensive and it also has different handholds for the pull-up bar itself. So it actually has wide grips, which I don't really use, and I'll get into that in a little bit. But anyway, it has different grips, is a little more expensive, but can go wider on your door, and it also has the wall protectors and door frame protectors in case you need to protect it from getting things like black marks on your door, which I know a lot of other pull-up bars give that after some time of using it. So I purchased the Perfect Fitness pull-up bar on December 27th, 2019. I bought it off of Amazon.com, which is where I make pretty much all of my fitness equipment purchases, and it came to a total of $33.97 after taxes were included for Texas. After a few days, I received it on my front doorstep, and I'm doing the unboxing video for you here to show you what you get when the package arrives. So the pull-up bar itself really is 4 main pieces, 2 curved pieces, 1 piece that goes above your door frame, and the other one is attached to the curved pieces, and that's the one you hold on to and do the pull-ups with. You'll also receive a couple screws that go into the pull-up bar itself that make it easy to assemble. Now, the total time for me putting this together was about 16 minutes. Without knowing what I was doing, basically just going through the instructions and making sure I did everything correctly. It took me about 16 minutes, so it doesn't take all that long to put together. And when it's done, you're not taking it apart and putting it back together again, so you can just leave it like that forever and take it put it up and take it down from your doorway as needed. Quick note, this is a little bigger than other pull-up bars I've used. Like my old pull-up bar was quite a bit smaller than this, but this one does have the extra wide handholds, so that is why it is a bit bigger overall. Some quick first impressions. My doorway is actually a little awkward as the wall is very close to the frame of the doorway that I have it in, so it's actually pushing the pull-up bar. If you're looking at it from the way that you do the pull-ups, it's a little pushed to the left. This isn't too bad, it just means that the protectors on one side are actually on the door frame, where on the other side it's off the door frame and actually touching the wall itself. But really it's not going to do too much. It feels sturdy, isn't coming off the wall at all. It actually feels a lot sturdier than my old one, so that is a plus in my book. Another thing I noticed is that the pull-up bar itself does not have the hand grips that you normally get for doing standard pull-ups. For some reason they have the chin-up ones, but where you put for a normal pull-up bar, those are missing for some reason. I guess they just put them in the wide grip as they expected most people to do wide grip pull-ups for some reason. I don't like them personally. It's a weird range of motion for me, and it feels awkward and kind of hurts my back more than anything. So I like to actually bring them a little closer in. It also gets a little more depth in my pull-up itself. But if you want to do normal pull-ups, you're not going to have the foam grips that they have normally, so you just have to hang on to the bar itself, which honestly to me isn't that bad. And that's about it for this pull-up bar. I just want to do a quick unboxing video so you can see what you get inside. Of course it has other things that you can do, like they say it's a multi-gym pull-up bar. It's not really, like they have like dips, push-ups and stuff on there, but I really just use this for pull-ups. I've never really used any of these pull-up bars for the other things that they say it can do, because I don't think those exercises are all that effective. If I'm going to do push-ups, I'm going to use just my normal floor or buy push-up stands. This doesn't really do all that much in terms of push-ups. Dips, I don't really like doing the dip style that they have in there. They even have crunches, but really, I've tried it once putting it in my door frame. It didn't hold all that well, so I really strictly buy this just for pull-ups, and I advise that you do that as well. So I will have a full review on this product after using it again for a month. I actually had this product a long time ago, so back when I lived in New Hampshire, I had this exact product. I think they made some slight upgrades, and they actually did have the handle the foam grips before in the pull-up areas, but for some reason I got rid of it. I don't know why. So there are some changes to it, so I'm going to review it again after maybe a month or so and give you my final verdict on the product, on whether the Pro version is better than the compact version or if I should go back to my old style pull-up bar. If you did like this unboxing, please like and subscribe to this channel for more unboxing videos just like this one. Also, please head over to GamerBody.com. There you can opt into my email newsletter as well as check out my personal training plan, the equipment I'm currently running with, and that does get updated over time. Any resources, podcasts, books, all that stuff is located at GamerBody.com, so go ahead and check it out. It's all there for free. Alright, and that's it. So again, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Be fit and game on.